smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as her. She was a believer. Sometimes